If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can remind yourself of tasks you want to complete by a certain date. You can look at your notes in the to-do list at any time, or you can use the reminders list to see the notes whose dates are due. To create a new to-do note, select Company, To-Do List from the menu bar. Click the To-Do drop-down button in the lower left corner of the list window and choose the New To-Do command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the Add To-Do window, select the type of to-do note you want to create from the Type drop-down. Select the priority from the Priority drop-down. If the task requires the presence of another individual, check the With checkbox and then use the drop-down below that to select the type of individual. This can be either a lead, customer, vendor, or employee. Then use the Next drop-down to choose the name of the specific individual required. Enter the date that the note is due by selecting a date from the Due field. To specify a time, check the Time checkbox and enter a time into the adjacent fields. You must enter detailed notes about the to-do item into the Details field. Then select the status of the note by choosing one from the Status drop-down. When finished, click the OK button to add the note to your to-do list. When you complete a to-do note, you can double-click its entry within the to-do list window to open the Edit To-Do window. Then select Done from the Status drop-down and click the OK button. The note will then appear within the to-do list window with a check mark in the far left Done column. To delete a note from the list, click its name within the to-do list window. Then click the To-Do drop-down button and choose the Delete Selected To-Do command. Then click the OK button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.